you all are okay. Today I am gonna show you uh, for applying a new edu. This is called alaska.edu, and that edu is Gmail login, and that's it also working many site like Zoom, like GitHub, like etc. That's you can use it freely. And now I'm gonna show you how to you can apply for this mail, I mean Alaska edu, and use it. Let's start the journey of applying this Alaska University. First of all, you have to search like that way alaska.edu. Then you will got the website of this, and this is the website of Alaska University. And now after that you will see there are three options: UAF, UAA and UAS. You need to apply here. Then this option apply now. After taking this, you will got the application option. Again apply now, and this is the application page of there. Then you, if you are a new, then you need to create a account for applying. That's why we need to sign up. This is the sign up option. We will click it. After clicking sign up option, you need to put this information here. First of all, I will select it. I am not a robot by selecting. It's too easy to solve. I think you all can do it. Then now you must do these things that I am doing here. First of all, copy your mail address, then put it here, then go to this website, and I'll put this information's website on the description box or my comment box. Copy it, then you have to set a password, and I will set, and that's the password of mine. I have set it and registered. After registering, you will got this page. Now you have to select the primary campus of yours application. I'll set the UAF. Then next, then here's the option of start the application. We will apply you can apply from this option. So let's start the application. Now see, you have to put the necessary information of grade mark. Like here, I will put the information of my birth date. I'll select it. This is month. Look, this is month, date and year. 3. You can select anything. 3 1999. Then you have to put the mobile phone number that you will got here from this website. It, then country, then the information of streets. That's the information of our streets. Then city, it also from there. Now state, Washington. Select from there. This is the Washington, and this is the zip code. We'll got from here, and select the zip code, and yes, and after that save and continue. You have to answer this question must, that's why we will answer it, and how you can easily answer it. First select it and search it, and you will got the answer. Select from here, copy it, then paste it here. Select identify mail, and his, then select white, then not Hispanic, and yes, then social security number must be provided, and we will take it from there. From here now, language English, none of this opportunity. No. This also no. This will be yes, then no. Select this option must. Without selecting this option, you will not get an email from this website or this college. Now select here the school name, anything you can select from there, and March 2023, then select it for, then save and continue. Select it, living with family, parents, residence, yes. Now you have to put your signature, so I will copy it and put my signature here and submit application. After submitting application, you will got a message from this university admission websites, and we will got this type of admission website. That's just now I got, and within 24 hours you will got this email with a necessary process of 5 steps, or some steps will be available next to do. After that we will got the email, and we can use it for various types of work. next video I will show the process of after 24 hours you will got this message or email from the university, and this is the confirmation email that you are selected for an email. And then first of all, now you have to click it, and here is the UID and username, and you have to follow some next step for completing or getting a domain. Then click here. Wait some time. And then after some time you will got this option, and after clicking this you will got an security option, security code, and you have to put it here for going to next step. And now here is the main process. You have to verify yourself. That's why you have to follow you have to answer all of question. Now what is the date of birth? Now you have to go there and find out your birthday date. Look, this is the birthday date of mine, 7/16/1999. I'll select it from here. Then zip code, you'll got the zip code from here, 02129. See here, 02192. That's one. And school, you'll got the information from none of this will be the answer, and this also none of this. And SSN, you have to find out from there, and it will be more about me. And here is the SSN. You have to select the last four number. wait some time.